Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I just want to quickly share an album I've created recently. And I actually wanted to share this album much earlier because it's an autumn-themed album and I feel like now we are already in the mood for winter and Christmas. But my life has definitely been a little bit busier these last months because I have a daughter now, so yeah, I'm very sorry that I haven't been uploading so much recently. I still enjoy crafting very much and I will definitely continue with this YouTube channel. I just need to find a little more time for doing so. And also for those of you who follow me on Instagram, you already know that I'm currently destashing my craft room and selling a lot of my stuff because I actually need this room for my daughter as well. So yeah, as I said, I wish I could have uploaded this album project share sooner. And also I do have to say that I actually just wanted to get this album done, and you can probably see that because the add-on styles are missing in this album. So there is a pocket in this album, but I just didn't find the time to also create some more text or photo mats or any of my other add-on styles. Okay, now before I show you what this album looks like, I definitely want to let you know that there is a Black Friday sale currently in my online shop. Not only can you get 20% off all my items in my online shop, which are the cutting guides and templates for my different folio styles, as well as my mini album bundles, including cutting guides and templates for up to 50 different interactive page styles. But there's actually a very special deal on my interactive mini album planner bundles where you can get 50% off. And I just want to remind you here that I actually do have two bundles. So the first bundle is only if you want to purchase my interactive mini album planner, which I cannot say it enough, is really an amazing tool and I'm very proud of what I've created with it. But my planner bundle number 2 actually also includes the cutting guides and templates for my 50 interactive page styles, as well as all 25 add-on styles for mini albums in the size 8 by 8 inches. And I've actually made sure that the original price for this bundle is already a great deal, but now with 50% off, this is really the best deal you can get. Because with this discount of 50%, you are actually only paying for the 3 cutting guide bundles, so the cutting guides and templates for my 50 interactive page styles as well as the add-on styles, and then you're basically getting the interactive mini album planner for free. So if you have been thinking of getting the cutting guides for my interactive page styles before, then this is definitely the best time to purchase. And if you're new to my channel and you have no idea what I'm talking about, then definitely make sure to check out 2 videos I will just link in the info box and at the end of this video. So the first video is my information video about my mix and match system I work with when crafting my interactive mini albums. And then the second video would be the video about my interactive mini album planner. Okay, so now let's finally have a look at this beautiful mini album I have created. Now that's what my autumn album looks like. I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out. Again, as I said, there are some like add-on styles missing. I will definitely later on add to this album, but other than that, I'm really happy with the result. And I just want to mention that I have used a collection by Echo Park, which is called Hello Autumn, and it's a beautiful collection, and I've actually used the digital version, of course. So as I've said before, I will definitely now use digital collections a lot, and that's also the reason why I could get rid of a lot of my physical collections now while destashing my craft room. And I actually have to say that printing my papers and working with digital collections and my mini album planner is so much more fun, and I don't see any reason why I would use a physical collection other than the physical collection only being available as a physical collection, such as the collections by Kaiser Crafts. I have a couple of those which I definitely want to use, but then with all the Echo Park, Simple Stories and American Craft collections, I can also get them digitally. So yeah, that's what I'm using now. And with that being said, I will just end today's video. And as always, I of course hope that you enjoyed watching this project share. If you did, then I would love to get your feedback in the comments down below, and also leave a thumbs up for this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It helps my channel to grow, and I'm always very happy to receive your feedback. And then I hope that you're having a great day, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye!